Hello everyone, my name is Edward. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I'd share with you guys what I do when it comes to filming a YouTube video. Maybe this will help you if you're interested in doing a YouTube channel or maybe doing TikToks or so. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So here we go. So this is my room, as I'm sure some of you have already seen in a room tour video I did a while back. But yeah, this is where everything usually happens, depending on what it is. Like if I'm doing a yacht review, I usually just put my chair right here and, you know, film in front of the door because, you know, less distractions, I guess. If I'm filming regular videos, then I just usually film it right here in my bed. And I just have like the tripod set up right here. Unless I'm filming like something, let's say a tutorial on like how to edit or a gaming video or something, then I obviously will film right here on my computer, and I use this tripod right here for, you know, for me to film with my phone. And I just use a screen recorder right here, which I'll probably leave the links down there. It's called OBS, and it's a really good recorder. I highly recommend using it. It's free. So when it comes to filming my videos, I obviously use a tripod, and I use this one. Found it on eBay for 20 bucks. Probably the best purchase I ever made. I also use this if I'm filming TikToks especially, or if I'm go out and I'm gonna take pictures of myself for my Instagram, or I'm gonna use it for some type of project on Photoshop, then I obviously use this. But for the most part, it's been a really good tripod. I highly recommend starting out at least with this one because, you know, you'll get your money's worth, that's for sure. Another thing that I also sometimes use this tripod, which really is awesome because it comes with this Bluetooth remote. Anytime that you want to take a photo but there's nobody around to take it for you, you can just use this and set it up, and it comes in handy. I love it a lot. Most of my Instagram photos, believe it or not, I just took in it using this. So one thing you guys have noticed is that I don't have a ring light, and when it comes to, you know, lighting, especially if I'm gonna film inside in like this type of lighting, I usually use this light, and I've been using it since I started YouTube, I think, for the most part. Well, more or less. Makes a big difference. I probably come out a bit pale when I use this light, but I rather use this than use this yellow light. As you guys can see, it's kind of gross. I got it at Walmart, or probably you can get it cheaper on eBay or on Amazon or so. Oh yeah, when it comes to, you know, filming the videos, obviously I use my phone. I can't really show you guys because that's how I'm filming this video right now. It's the Samsung Galaxy S10, I think. Great phone, I love it. Takes great photos, takes great video, and for the most part I've been very happy with it, and that's what I use when it comes to filming TikToks and YouTube videos. I'll just be honest, I think any phone that you have pretty worth using when it comes to even just starting a channel, because you don't have to have like this crazy, you know, expensive camera or so. You can even just use your phone or your iPad or whatever, and it'll be just as good, especially when you're starting, just to figure out if you like it or not. So yes, highly recommend just using your phone. It's just good enough. So when it comes to video editing, I usually use Vegas, and this is Vegas 15. Oh no, this is Vegas Pro 16. Import the clips that I have, which I usually save it into my desktop, which you guys can see it's very messy and I'm not very organized in it. Okay, let's just go for this. This is an old project that I worked on that I probably release later on. It's for my new channel. So I just put in my clips right here, whatever that I'm using, and, you know, just highlighting whatever I'm gonna put into the video. Or let's say I'm talking and I want the picture to be up here, so I just put the picture right here, and, you know, I'll show up right there. Obviously I'm gonna have it in full screen because I don't like to do it like that. If you guys want a tutorial on how to use Vegas Pro, you let me know in the comments. And let's say there's like a lower thirds or like some special glitch effect that I want to use. I'm sorry, I'm thinking about Pokemon. I don't know why. I use After Effects when it comes to that. So like, for instance, this, you know, I have like music or something playing in the background, and then it just shows you a title of what to expect. Effects, glitches, or anything like that, I like to use After Effects. I think it just comes out much more better. Like as you can see here, that's pretty much how this comes together, you know, boom. And then all I do is render it, and then I go back to Vegas Pro and I just import it that way and just put it wherever I'm gonna put it, and that's it. So when it comes to thumbnails, I use Photoshop, as you can see right here. If you guys want more depth in how I do my thumbnails on YouTube, you guys can check out this YouTube tutorial video I did on how to make thumbnails using Photoshop, and how that whole process, what I go through and creating it. You guys can check that video out. And yeah, I just render the video, I put it all together and go on YouTube. Usually when I'm gonna title a video, so I'll give you guys an example. I just go on here and whatever topic the video is on, I just type it on here, like let's say hacks to fall asleep early. You see, and you know how a bunch of the results come up right here? Well, I try to use the ones that are like, you know, the first ones, because those are the ones people are looking for, and that's how I come up with my tags. This is just like a tip that someone shared with me a while back. Good way to get good tags on your videos to, you know, have your videos show up more in results and be recommended. So that's pretty much how I edit my videos and put them up on YouTube. I hope this video was really helpful for you guys and maybe inspiring you guys to do TikTok or YouTube or any type of platform, that even just the tools you have like your phone, your computer or tablet, you can use that just to make content and just put yourself out there. Highly recommend just trying it out. You never know, it can lead to something awesome. If there's any specific tutorials you would like me to do, let me know in the comments. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Take care.